There are a wide range of anti-cancer agents which prevent tumor growth by inhibiting cellular functions. PARP inhibitors, for example, prevent cancer cells from repairing strand breaks in their DNA structures, leading to eventual cell death. Additionally, cyclin-dependent kinase inhibitors prevent the cell from responding to DNA damage, thus amplifying the effect of PARP inhibitors. Drugs based on interfering with the cellular operations of cancer cells can be effective at stopping tumor growth, but can also have serious side effects against healthy cells. Researchers at Northeastern University and Harvard Medical School used mPEG-PLGA catalog number AK010 from PolySciTech to create a nanoparticle delivery system combining the effects of a kinase inhibitor and a PARP inhibitor, and tested the efficacy of the system against cancer cells. This research holds promise to provide for improved therapy against cancer in the future.